Okay, welcome back to part 2. Okay, so what is this? Earlier on I buried this then we will just tie them, secure them. Oh, attract ants already. Nice. Okay, ants love beer also. I don't know. Okay, so earlier on what I do is I pour in my beer. This is not urine and it's a real beer, which I really pour in. Okay, and on the surface I spray some coconut oil or any edible oil of you like. But coconut oil is also so-called edible. I don't care. Okay, so just dip some in your finger and just wipe one round or 2 rounds. Okay, so that the snail upon coming in, they want to dip inside, they will slip and fall in to the to the beer solution. It's a fully pure beer, which I just bought, and it's cold. Then yeah, so even okay, the depth is right now this depth already about 1 inch lah. Okay, so small cone snail surely die, and big garden snail, if they want to claw in, right, they might just die also. Why? Because yeah, the oil is there, and they go inside and drink, they might not be able to climb up lah. Okay, wait Okay, my system a bit hang. I need to find a lighter. Okay, never mind. Let's go and dig a lighter over here. Just to remove the bubbles. Where is my lighter? Right there. One moment I can't find my lighter. I can't pause my video also because I don't know why my video is so retarded today. Okay, anyway, I found a lighter. So we will just try and burst all the little bubble by using the lighter, the fastest way. Instead of using needles, one by one go and poke them. Okay, let's try. Okay, not big enough, the fire. Okay. Oops. Oh goodness. Thank you. Okay, I think I make the thing worse, but never mind lah, let it be lah. So maybe got some flavor over here. Okay lah, so wait for part 3, maybe tomorrow morning or evening. Yeah, I might come out and see the result. Okay, so meanwhile, hopefully today, Wednesday, ladies night, all the snail will gather over here to have their own beer party. Okay, and you can see all the veggie is well grown, short. Yeah. Okay, so if you like the video, if you want to follow on with the experiment, please like and subscribe. Okay, so till tomorrow, part 3. Have a good night. Bye bye. Now I can't stop the video. I don't know why.